Hi, bestie. Welcome to my page. My name is Miss Frugal, also known as Karen. In this video, I will be opening up some Happy Mail received from two small Black-owned businesses, Also Paper and Capital Chic Designs. If you're interested in sticker albums and planner stickers, this is something that you might be interested in. Hi, bestie. If you're new to my page, thank you so much for joining me today. If you're returning, thank you as well. I'm so glad that you decided to come back to my page. So, if you've been in the planner community, you know a lot of small businesses, they have been impacted tremendously with the economy and everything. And a lot of them are closing and everything. So when I saw Also Paper, they made a post on Instagram, asking if everyone could at least buy one thing or whatever. And then I saw that she created these sticker books. So I said, let me go ahead and get 2 sticker books because I knew when Lamika had her sale on June 10th, I think it was 75% off everything that Lamika had for Capital Chic Designs. It was either 70 or 75%. I can't remember exactly, but I knew that I was going to purchase a lot of my custom stickers and try to get a few kits and everything from her. So I said, well, this would be a great time for me to get custom sticker books from Also Paper so I can store my new stickers from Lamika. So that's what you're going to see in this video. This video will be silent. I'll play some little music in the background so you can see what I actually received from both shops. So the custom sticker book comes with 50 pages each, and it is back and front. So please support Also Paper. Danielle is a veteran. She's doing different things with her shop. She's making journals and notebooks and everything. She does have a few stickers there. So make sure you support her small business. And like I said, she's a veteran, so let's support her. So those were the custom stickers that I purchased. I tried to purchase as many as I can because if she's closing or whatever, I need to make sure I had them in stock. that is all in my Happy Mail that I received. Thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome day. Toodles.